welcome to Delightfully Southern, my YouTube channel. I hope that you will give me a chance and hit that subscribe button. I'm going to upload videos once a week. That being said, I would like to know which day of the week you like to watch YouTube the most, and some ideas of what kind of videos you would like to see. On my channel, I plan on including like hair, makeup, DIYs, fashion, do some vlogs, just some fun things like that, have videos planned. Starting with my daughter's getting married in May, so I will be taking you along on that, from looking for the dress. I'll be doing the flowers, all the wedding preparations, the decorating, design, all that kind of stuff. So that's exciting. We'll have some shopping hauls where I go and show you what I've bought for the wedding so far. There's going to be plenty more to buy. Weddings are not cheap. Oh, they're not cheap. But you can still have a nice wedding on an affordable budget, which we have a budget we're trying to stick to. And so far we're doing pretty good. I'm excited to show you some of the things we've gotten so far for that. So I just decided to combine a little bit of everything that I love, which is, the hair and the makeup and the interior design and the decorating and the DIYs. So it's gonna be a little bit of everything. Of course, I'm always open to suggestions. Any ideas that you may have, shoot me a comment. I work full time right now, so this is gonna be like my little side gig, but I think it's gonna be fun. I love it. I love to do this kind of thing, the decorating and all that. So I'm really excited. I hope you get excited. I hope you enjoy it. And I can't wait to get started. I'm so excited. And our first video I have in mind will be a shopping haul. I will kind of show you some of the flowers, I guess I'll break it down to our color scheme, our design, and show you the flowers and some of the stuff I've already bought. And then we will go a little bit further into it. And if you are someone is getting married and you really don't know where to start, that's kind of why I wanted to do this too, because I grew up in this. My grandmother was a florist. She had her own business, and her and my aunt would, do everything for the weddings, from the flowers to the decorating. We would do all that. And I would do it too, and been doing it since I was little, kind of grew up in it. So I do have some experience in this department, so I'm not just like, boom, think I can just do it on my own. I got this. It's not anything like that. It's strictly, I kind of grew up in it, so I kind of know where to start. I've done several weddings. But I'm going to tell you guys, when it's your own daughter, I don't care how much experience you have, it can still be overwhelming. So maybe, this video can kind of help somebody. We've created a spreadsheet, so we kind of laid everything out so we would know kind of where to start, have like a starting point. Now we went on there and we've deleted and added to that spreadsheet, but it's kind of still keeps us with a plan. Pinterest, wonderful idea for weddings, because we've created a board that myself, my daughter, my two daughter-in-laws are on, and a couple of friends are on, that we can all kind of pin ideas with our color scheme, theme, all that kind of stuff. So Pinterest is a great tool for this. It's really helped us. So maybe this will help you if you're in the process, or you're going to be in the process, or somebody who's in the process and just kind of don't know where to start. Because even me, like, there was a point I just wanted to just pay a flat fee, give it to somebody, do it. I just don't want to do it, but in all actuality, that's just not possible. So I was like, no, we got to do this. So we've already been shopping, and we've gotten a lot of supplies, so that's going to be a lot of it. That's not going to be the only thing that's on this channel, but it's going to be the starting point of this channel. And then, then we'll move on from there. So I'm really excited. I hope you are. And I look forward to this journey. I just cannot wait to get this thing started. So I hope you'll give me a chance and tune back in next week. See you then. Bye.